Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I have been here on YouTube for more than 6 years talking about tea, sharing a bit of my life. So if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe to my channel. And if you wouldn't mind, real quick, before we get started, clicking like on this video, that would really help me out. My little sister, who is 10 years old, my little sister-in-law, but to me she's a sister, went to Disney World and she brought back a little something for Ate Dana. She brought me 2 Alice in Wonderland teas and I'm so looking forward to trying these. There is the Queen's Garden blend and Unbirthday cake blend. And I'm gonna be trying the Unbirthday cake blend today. So let's get like a closer look. So here are the 2 that I got. There is the Unbirthday cake blend and the Queen's Garden blend. I'm gonna try the Unbirthday cake blend today. Nice, it's vacuum sealed in this aluminum bag, which is what I like to see. Ooh, and I already smell how good it smells from here. But let's take out a tea bag. So it's in this like mesh pyramid tea bag and it says Wonderland tea. I love how far they've come with this tea. Years ago I bought tea from Disney World and it was like Alice in Wonderland, of course, and it came in like a French press and it was like a fruity kind of blend. I think it was called like the Mad Hatter's blend or something like that. So this one is different and the packaging was just way cuter. Like this is just gonna look so good on my shelf. My little sister knows me so well. And I've got the perfect coaster for an Alice in Wonderland themed review. I'm gonna wrap it around here so we don't lose our tag. Okay, and we can set this aside, let it steep, and then find out everything there is to know about the Unbirthday cake blend. I love the packaging on this. Like, look, there is the Dormouse, who I have him as a teapot from Disney World. Alice in Wonderland is my favorite Disney movie. I've always loved it because of course there's the connection with tea and I love tea, but also like the colors and like the whimsicality of it. I've just always loved it so much. So this packaging is like the cutest I can imagine. The Dormouse, the lanterns, Alice, the Mad Hatter. On the inside of the lid is our best pal, the White Rabbit. Unbirthday cake black tea, strong flavor strength. Luxury black tea with opening flavors of vanilla buttercream and cocoa with colorful flower petals. Hurry up before it disappears from your cup or before the Mad Hatter makes you move down for no reason, leaving your teacup behind. The ingredients are luxury black tea, strawberry leaves, cocoa beans, corn flour, and safflower, and calendula, and sunflower petals, and natural flavors. I wonder what the luxury black tea is. So you know it's like gotta be something like nice enough for them to call it luxury, but I wonder if it's like a Darjeeling or like a Nepal black. Like I really wonder like what kind of black tea it is. But it does have like a really like buttercreamy smell to it. So I assume that's what the flavoring is. It's got to be like a buttercream flavor. The cocoa beans definitely come through, but I do get like a strawberry vibe, like a hit of like a fruitiness. So it's not on here except for like this little guy. But when they like give Alice that birthday cake, that pink, like, oh, beautiful one, and it like explodes and the Dormouse comes out, I imagine that cake to taste like this. You know, because it's pink and strawberry, you know, I think the pink buttercream is probably strawberry flavored. So I could just imagine this like tasting like what that cake would be meant to be. And it's nice too because I smell the tea. It's not overpoweringly flavored. It definitely smells like there's gonna be a ton of flavor in it, but at the same time, the actual like luxury black tea smell definitely comes through. Okay, so I think we're about good to steep. Let's take our tea bag out. And let's try it. It's really wonderful. It definitely tastes a bit less like artificial than it smells. Like those like flavorings like come through really hard in the smell, but in the tea it's much nicer, much more like something that tea lover would enjoy. Like tasting the tea is really nice, and it's not overshadowed by the flavorings, but they're definitely there. And you know what? I think that's really cool and special, because when you're buying like a souvenir, you might be buying it for someone who loves Alice in Wonderland but doesn't necessarily drink tea. But for me, like, my sister knows me, she knows I love a good tea. So I feel like it would have been easy for Disney to kind of cop out with it and give something that's like strongly flavored, like really artificial, really like a safe bet for someone who may not even like tea, you know? Like, I feel like they could have like added sugar and taken it into like the category of Fantasyland tea that like nobody who really loves tea would really reach for. But I think doing unbirthday cake tea was a great idea, because you can do that birthday cake flavor but still honor the taste of a good black tea. Because it's so like, you get that delicious buttercream and that hint of fruitiness. So it tastes like a cake to me, but it also tastes like an awesome black tea. So this tea is a winner. What a great souvenir. Because again, like, I mean, they're not a tea company, they're a movie company and theme park. Like, you would think that it wouldn't be top tier, but it really is. Awesome, so good. Perfect gift for me. If you're going to Disney World and looking to bring home a souvenir for a tea lover, this one is approved personally by your second favorite tea lover, me, because your first favorite's gotta be Mad Hatter, right? But really awesome. Big thank you to my little sister for coming through with one of the nicest gifts you could get me from the Disney parks. Aside from like stowing me away in your bag and taking me with you, because I am a big Disney lover. If you don't know, Gerald and I got married in Disney World, so it was really nice to see our little sister go and have fun and enjoy, and hopefully someday we can go with her. But anyway, I hope that you and your families are all staying safe and healthy. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. We are on